Letters to the Editor is an author-driven podcast created and directed by Enrique Stuyck Roma, a journalist, lawyer and entrepreneur from Madrid. Enrique holds a Guinness World Record for his letters to the editor and has had 10,000 letters published in 70 Spanish newspapers. In this podcast, we will read a letter a day for a whole year selected from his books Ocurrencias, Witticisms, Reflections on Life. The title of today's letter is The Sound of the Rain. The constant barrage of news coming from every direction can leave us numb and even indifferent, to say the least. So to protect ourselves, we build invisible walls, trying not to let it all get through. But if we can't deal with this flood of media streaming endlessly through our phones, our tablets, our feeds, with a certain calm detachment, we will not be able to prevent it from shaping our attitudes and behaviour, and often for the worse. It is very difficult, if not impossible, to escape the tide of information, and there's no effective remedy to stop it. But perhaps there's another approach. Perhaps we can learn to listen to it as we listen to the rain, not a gentle drizzle, but a real storm, with full thunder and lightning to drown out the media noise that is so damaging to us all. His letter was published in 2 newspapers in August 2022. Discover more episodes at letterstotheeditor.com, and remember to subscribe and rate the podcast on your favourite platform. Podcast produced by Jorge Marín, EOB Productora. Letters translated by Ana Marchena. Branding and visual identity by Samuel Ferrer, Quinton Brands. Editing by Margot Martin. Readings by Susanna Galan.